So let's reply to a question which asks us, I have a 1 gram of water in the form of steam. So the water, but it is as a gas, a hot water, and I have a 1 gram of water which is in the liquid form. The question is telling me the 1 gram of steam causes more severe burns than 1 gram of water. So if you just put water on your hand, 1 gram of water in your hand, it will do nothing. Even if it is hot water, it will do nothing. But if you are exposed to 1 gram of water in the form of steam, like if you have a kettle that is producing hot water and this steam came to your arm, this will cause more severe burns. Why is that? At the same temperature, both of them have the same average kinetic energy, but the potential energy, as we explained in the gaseous substance, is much more than potential energy of the water. So the energy is too much in the gaseous water, the steam, that is going to burn your hand because the particles are hitting too much at your hand than just the water or the hot water. Now, some of the liquids are called volatile liquids. They are called volatile because they can evaporate at room temperature. So if you just spilled some water over the ground, this water is going to stay a while on your floor and it will be evaporated only if it is exposed to high temperature, like if it was in the sun in the outside for a long time. But some of the liquids, for example, if you sprayed your hand with some of ethanol, this ethanol is very volatile. You don't need to dry it up or use tissues to remove. It just gets evaporated by itself without even heating or anything. This kind of liquids, like the ethanol, is known as volatile liquids. They evaporate even at room temperature. They have very low boiling points, so they are easy to vaporize. So this question asks us that there is 3 compounds, A and B and C, have these boiling points respectively. So it's asking which one of them from the least to the most volatile. So what did we say here? We said that the substance with very low boiling points are easy to vaporize. So this one has a very low, so this is the most volatile one because it has the lowest boiling point. And next is 38, so next. And this is the third most volatile. So the most volatile is A more than C, and then B is the least volatile substance. It has the highest boiling point of them. The liquid, which is inside a container, has particles in the form of liquid like that. But what if this liquid is a little bit volatile? Then some of the particles will be evaporated and come out in the form of gas. So instead of liquid, it's in the form of gas. If this container is closed or not, these particles will make collision with the walls of the container from inside. And as we took in the chapter of gases, the pressure of the gas is due to the collision of its particles with the walls of the container. So the pressure of this gas will be known as the vapor pressure of the liquid. So the liquid itself has no pressure. The particles which are evaporated from the liquid and changed into a gas is the one that is causing the pressure on the walls of the container and causing the vapor pressure. If we have a sealed container, now there is also liquid, and this liquid also particles will be evaporated to form gas. And this gas will form the vapor pressure due to the collisions. The vapor pressure now will depend on the temperature. Why is that? Because the more the temperature there is, the higher the temperature, the more the liquid particles are going to change into gas. So there will be more gas particles. And since there are more gas particles, so the collision will be more and the pressure will be more. So as the temperature increases, the pressure of the gas increases, the vapor pressure increases, and vice versa. If the temperature decreases, the vapor pressure decreases.